Yep, hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Michael. Welcome back to another episode of Angry Birds Epic Art. Angry Birds Epic. This is part number 2 to the game. And last episode we almost got to level 2. And we saved Chuck from the evil clutches of the pigs. Now we're gonna try to get up to level 2 this episode. I'm gonna try my hardest. Cause I tried to plan last episode to get up to level 2, but sadly didn't. And this might be the boss that I need. Okay, so this is what. Okay, that's nice. Ooh. Oh, that hurts as well. And guys, remember last episode we used the red pepper a lot. I want to see what happened with Chuck. And where'd the hat gone? Oh, there we go. Yes, we're at level 2. Woo, level 2. Ooh. Okay, guys, level 2. Finally at the start. Level 2. Here we go. Man, that background looks very cool. So yeah, I forgot to say in the beginning of the video, if you guys didn't see the last episode, then please watch it right now. It's absolutely amazing. But now, let's continue on. And this place is not open yet. It's like Toons TV or something. Now let's go over there. Now, let's do another battle, shall we? No, great. Do I really need to watch this right now? Get. Oh, we're boss mode now. Boss mode is on. Oh, great. Oh, great. That's a lot of damage. How much I think? And I'm gonna, ooh, that's very effective. Oh my god. Oh no, Red's almost down. But he's almost down as well. Yes! Boss mode. And, oh, that's level 3. Now I think I'm going to be leveling up to level 3 this episode. Oh, man. Man, I'm going to become a level 3 and defeat my first ever boss in one day. Okay. So let's go there now. It's not that much 18. Oh, we're at 18% team power, so we need to get all the other guys so we can face off other people. Oh, look at there it is. is the hammer of the gods. Oh, great. Oh, no. Oh, great. 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 Oh, Lord. Just aim for him. No, don't do that. No, 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 no. Come on, Pepper. Oh, well, we're gonna see. Oh, this is not much. We almost died there. This ain't good. The magic anvil. Okay, let's go over there. And I think our next thing has to go to over here. But I'm going to go to the shop for a minute. After this, something. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to the shop. No, shop. I want to go shop. Man, God. All I want to do is just go to the shop for a minute. Okay. What's up? So let's do this. Oh. 30% pig power. We have 19% pig power. The reward is 3 bananas. Okay, that's a little bit useful. That's useless. That's useless. But still, I could work. Oh, did he farted? You also have to go red. Oh, come on. What's the great thing about this enemy is, like, when you get hit, you don't really die instantly, but you just, like, get more blood so you can get, so you can get that experience you need. Okay, let's see the power now. Oh. Okay. Level 3. Ba-boom. 27,000 points. My God. Aw. No, and then got the street players, but they were useless. So we have a couple more levels to go. So guys, I'm going to leave it off there. See, if you guys want to see part number 3, then it'll be coming up in a couple minutes. And see you guys next time. Bye.